So enlarged prostate is where the prostate will truly enlarge over time and constrict the urethra. I like to tell patients that the prostate is kind of like an orange with a straw going right through the middle of it. And as we age, the prostate gets larger and larger, and the straw going through the middle gets compressed by the tissue of the prostate. Makes it harder for the bladder to push urine through the urethra. It makes it harder to empty the bladder. It's a very big quality of life issue for men. I think a lot of men ignore their symptoms for a long time because we don't like to complain. But in reality, it's so common, and there are some very common things that we can do to help with treating prostate enlargement. It can be something as simple as taking a very well-tolerated medication that helps to open that channel through the prostate that can relieve some of those symptoms, all the way up to a big surgery where we actually core out the tissue of the prostate to leave them with a more wide open channel and empty better. Here's how I like to think about treatment of prostate enlargement. The first thing that you can do is lifestyle modifications. That takes no medicine. It is low risk, so you can tell a man to avoid excess fluids. Some men, they don't realize how much fluid they're drinking. The more fluid you drink, the more often you're going to have to urinate. The types of fluids also matter. So if a man's drinking a lot of caffeine, a lot of alcohol, especially before bed, that can cause nighttime issues with urination. So some of those lifestyle tweaks can really help a man to have a lot better symptoms. The next step in aggressiveness is trying medications, and there's several different drug classes that we have, but essentially they work on relaxing the channel through the prostate. They relax smooth muscle in the prostate to help open that channel. Now, those medications are not as effective as a surgery is, but they're also less invasive and less aggressive. Prostate enlargement is truly just enlargement, and the cells in the prostate are not cancerous. It's really sad to know that men are suffering out there and they just don't want to complain, they don't want to bring it up. It's embarrassing to admit that there's a problem there, but there really are a lot of wonderful and effective solutions to treating it. And they're solutions that don't take a big surgery to take care of. Simple as lifestyle modifications or medications that work really well to help them out.